Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok family pairing feature. Family pairing feature allows parents and guardians to link their account to teens to manage safety setting remotely. In 2026, this feature includes more granular control over AI interfaces and screen time. Now to set up family pairing, all you have to do is go to your profile, then tap the menu icon, then head to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on the Family Pairing option. From there, head to Family Pairing option. Now, from here, you should be able to find these different prompts. Now, what you can do is select who is using this TikTok account option. Tap as a parent, then tap in Next. Now, open your teen's account. Now, also go through this same process, but in this, go ahead and select this option called teen. Now once you do so, a QR will be generated. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this share a QR option. Now from your teen's mobile, go ahead and scan this QR, and you can connect it from here. Now once you connect your account or link your account on TikTok, you can access your teen's settings just by tapping on this three horizontal line or menu icon, and from there you should be able to control the limit of teen's ability to look for a specific content and users or even sounds. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.